This is my assessment of the Shark WANDVAC. It says it's a 3-in-1, and so we'll check it out. Basically, you have the handle piece here. It attaches into the floor piece here, and there are several options on the side here. This is like a release button, so by pulling it up, it allows this part to detach from the rest of the machine. It also comes with a few accessories, so then this can be used with your hand vac in order to take care of small jobs. We've got the hand vac and the attachment, which inserts like so. And just like we detached the hand vac from the floor piece, you're going to use that same piece to disconnect it again. Great. You just push down on the floor piece like so, and there you have that. So to just use the long wand piece, you're going to press this button at the base while you are stepping on the floor piece, and then just lift it out like such. So this can be used for cleaning your fans or hard to reach areas. Again, you can attach this piece to the end, and there's even a little brush that flips out. So there you go. And there's also 2 ways to charge the tool. We typically use this floor charger. So the vacuum sits in to this piece right here. And as you can see, it is charging. When you have the 3 lights lit fully, it's fully charged, and I do think after a while the lights go out. So you can tell how much charge you have remaining depending on how many lights are lit, and like this one is blinking, so we know that it is charging. Additionally, this hand piece can be charged independently of the base. So we're going to remove it again. And instead of having the base connected, this can be plugged directly into the hand vac, like so. And when you turn it over, again, you can see it's charging. So you have those 2 options. The kit actually comes with 1 more accessory, and it's this piece, which is designed to help you if you have pet hairs. So just a little extra longer brush surface to help keep your place clean. We found that this is a great tool for light jobs. It lasts about, I think, 20 minutes. And the time to fully charge is about 6 hours.
That's all.
Okay, super easy turn. And we've turned it off, but it actually does work on the tile as well. Just getting ready to empty the filter. We've been able to use this WANDVAC for about 10 minutes total. So emptied it once after about 5 minutes, and this is the second time we've had to clean the filter. So